What's up, everybody? It's your boy Fuzzy Moto out here, and man, has it been a long time since I uploaded a video. I think it's been 10 plus months, and this video I'll definitely explain probably pretty much everything, why I haven't uploaded, and etc, etc. So let's get right into the video. You're probably thinking, Chris, why such a huge hiatus? Why not make videos? Well, I'm pretty sure no one's really saying that, but I have had friends be like, yo, where the videos at? Why'd I go so slow around there? Pin it, Chris, pin it. What's gonna happen? You're gonna scrape your knee at 20 miles per hour? Huh? Scared to scrape a little knee? Yeah, people probably asking like, where you been? Why can't we upload videos and stuff? But some of my friends already know, but most people probably won't know. There's a lot of things. I've made this video probably like 3 or 4 times. This will be my 4th, 5th time making this video. And it's the first couple times it was kind of hard for me. I think today I could probably kind of hold it together. I'm pretty sure I can, because it's been like, 4 or 5 months. Yeah, so there's been a 10-month hiatus, and one of the reasons why is this bike wasn't insured. The little scooter wasn't insured, and it took me quite a while to actually get it insured. Not because of anything else, because one, I didn't have a car. Me and my mom, we didn't have a car at the time, so like I couldn't just go to Maryland. You know what I'm saying? It was really hard to just get there. All my family's from Maryland, so like you just couldn't get there. This right here was the only transportation I had to go back and forth to do things. And another reason is I just didn't really have time to really ride. Really, I had a friend move back in with me, and we were just going with the, come on man, what are you doing? I can't ride on the fucking shoulder forever, man. I just got over here, just let you go. By the way, I'm going to Walmart. I don't think I've ever gone to Walmart videotaping it. Actually, I think I might have, but I don't think I uploaded it. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, rip. And anyways, I just really didn't have time to ride. Really, I was just doing stuff with him and chilling, and they were taking us back and forth places to do stuff, and then we finally got like a little Volkswagen Jetta, which is actually really nice. I like it. It's a pretty small car, but whatever. I'm used to small things, I guess. That's not a penis joke, by the way. I'm just saying, because my scooter's small. That's the only thing I'm talking about, okay? Dang. Everyone's probably gonna say it though. Anyways, and so that took about 6 months right there. That whole period right there, not having a vehicle and hanging with Jake. That was probably like 6 to 8 months. And within that 6 to 8 months, my aunt had a stroke. So we're all like trying to figure out like what's gonna happen. Is it life-threatening? Is it okay? It ended up being a lot better than what it was. When you have strokes, it can go one or each way. You know what I'm saying? It can go one way where you're completely brain dead, or loss of life, which that's not what happened. Or you can slowly rehabilitate yourself and get better and better, which she was doing. She was in the process of moving, so I think the stressfulness of moving. If you ever moved, it's very stressful. I've moved once before, and it's hectic. I would have thought it would be hectic. You just pack a box of boxes up, sell your house, and leave. Not at all. But I think that when she moved in, she had another stroke, and that other stroke really kind of like did her in. You know what I'm saying? She was slowly starting to deteriorate, and my uncle didn't want to put her in a home, so she lived with us. So we were taking care of her, and to see my aunt like that was like not what I wanted to see at all. And I am very close to my aunt. My aunt has done so much for me I feel like I have done nothing for her, but even though I've done a lot, you know, I used to do everything for her that she would ask. She'd be like, hey, I need help doing this, doing that. I'd be right over, and then I did it, you know. So losing my aunt was the worst, you know, watching her deteriorate. I knew, you know, she didn't have long. I knew it. I could just tell, and I was like, and it sucked, like really, really bad, you know. And I didn't want to ride, you know. I had my license, I had the insurance and all that bumped up. Ow, something just smacked me in my leg that hurt. And I didn't want to ride. So like 4 months after that, I didn't ride. Today has been like my fourth time riding my scooter somewhere, and to tell you the truth, I don't have any motivation to ride. You know, I really, you know, some other things have happened, you know, some crazy, not crazy, but like some things happened with me and Megan, and I'm trying to like really like salvage that, make sure, you know, she said things have been, you know, before things were like, she said it was terrible. I'm trying to like mend that, kind of make that work out, which has been pretty good, but lately it's been like, I don't know, I think she's been really busy and I haven't really talked to her. That and, girls get mad for things that we sometimes men don't do. We don't, sometimes we do shit and we got men, just man up to it and be like, yeah, you're right, my bad, I'm sorry, and try to work on it. Sometimes women assume things and they get mad, they don't want to talk to you because, yeah, women don't know how to like communicate. Yes, men don't know how to communicate. Our communication is, you say one thing and that's about it. Women's communication is a whole other level, which that's what I want. I want to communicate, sit down, let's talk about it. Don't fucking get mad and assume shit. I don't want that. Among those things and some other stuff, like going through my aunt stuff and trying to figure out what we all want, it just sucks. It just sucks real bad. So I think today has been kind of an okay day to ride. I don't know. I literally just pulled myself out of all this. And I was like, you know what? Let's ride. Let's do something. Let's drive your scooter past a Hayabusa. Let's do that and shit like that. So I don't know. I'm just trying to pull myself out of a funk. But even though I feel like something bad's gonna happen, I kind of like, I always have this feeling, and I normally am right. It's really weird. I think I have this weird sixth sense or something, but I normally feel like something bad's gonna happen, and I kind of feel like that. I kind of feel like it, kind of don't. I'm kind of just feel like I'm just fucking with my head. I'm fucking with myself. I'm like, yeah, man, you know, something bad's gonna happen. I'm like, I don't know. I kind of don't feel like that way. Little doggy. I like how it could be just a normal dog. Like, it could be the biggest dog in the world. He's like, oh, little doggy. Like, that's not a little doggy. But they have a great day, ain't no little doggy. That little dog's like, Big James are like, why you call me a little dog? My dick's probably bigger than yours. I'm like, okay, dog. Chill out. Alright, that was weird to say, dog. Okay, anyways. But yeah, I've been in this huge funk, and to tell you the truth, I don't know how to get out of it. I think the only way to really get out of something like that is just try to keep as positive as you possibly can. And I have been keeping kind of quite positive, and I feel like I can, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Am I clicking the right way? Am I clicking the right? Am I turn signaling the right way? Clicking? I wonder if I'm clicking the right way. I don't know, Chris. Are you clicking? I feel like when you ride a scooter, you gotta make up random funny shit. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, the scoot's back. We're back on the street. We're gonna try to make more videos. I don't know how often I'm gonna make videos, but yeah, I don't know how often I'm gonna make videos, but I'll try to get out there. Oh, this is not the way I want to go. I'm almost to Walmart. I'm going to Walmart to pick up like 2 things. 2 things. Oh my god, I could have drove the car, but what's the fun in that, man? Get out. If you got a scoop, get out there and ride it, man. Even though I can't say nothing because I'm not going out there riding anyway. Yeah, just get out there and ride. Even though, it's funny, I can give someone a motivational speech. I can pump them up, but when it comes to me, I'm just like, eh. Like I hear somebody, I'm just like, eh, whatever, I've heard it all. But it's just how I am. Like I like to just, I guess try to, I guess cheer people up. You know, it's kind of how. This is where I want to turn. Yeah, this is where I want to turn. Actually, you know what? I'll go straight. I'll go this way. Fuck it. Fuck going through all that. Plus, I can't. Technically, I can't go through that way. Like I can. I'm a scooter. I do whatever the fuck I want. But technically, you're not allowed to like go through there. But like I said, I am a scooter. I do what I want, but I technically can't. But YOLO, fuck it. But I didn't do it. So you can't say YOLO. Is that a cat? No, that is a little bat. What are those things called? A gopher? Is that a gopher? It's like, look, there's a slow car behind me. It's a Kia Soul. He's so mad. I'm going as fast as I can, Kia Soul. I'm going as fast as I can. The little hamster car. I don't know if y'all can see it. The little hamster car is behind me. The little hamster car is like, this fucking slow ass motherfucker. Hey, race me though. I bet you lose. Bet. Look, they're mad. I'm not gonna lie. If it was me behind me, I'd be pissed. I'd be like, come on, you fucking piece of shit. Nah, I wouldn't do that. Always respect motorcyclists, man. Always. No matter how slow or fast they can go, you gotta respect them because you don't want to like I'm not nervous when a car is behind me. I don't really get nervous because you have to like not worry about them. You start worrying about and you might fuck up and then you're crashing. Don't worry about it. Just don't worry about people behind you. Coming from me, I get a lot of people behind me because everyone's slow and I'm faster than them, and they're always behind me and they get mad because like, how is this guy so fast? I'm like, that man, you got that scooter life. I'm not fast at all. I'm slow as out there. But you know what I mean. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Oh, look, y'all want to go to Lowe's? Y'all want to get some building supplies? Build something? Nope. Last thing I built something was a skate rail. I built a skate rail. Yeah, it was real good. It was too tall. It was too fucking tall. You believe that? No, it wasn't tall for me. Like I could legit kickflip over that motherfucker. It was like a foot. It was like a foot and like 4 inches, like 14. It was like, yeah, no, 16 inches. Yeah. It was about 16 inches, and I kickflipped right over that motherfucker like it was nothing. I got hopped. That's also thinking about too, getting back into skateboarding, because I'm not really dirt biking right now, because I gotta fix a compression ring, which fucking sucks. I don't know if y'all ever fixed a compression ring, but it blows dick. I'm trying to think if I should go straight, or I'm gonna go straight. Obviously I'm gonna go straight. I don't like men. You like men though. It's okay if you like men though. I'm not gonna be like, oh, you like men, you're this. No. God, I'm so slow. I mean fast. I'm so fast. Don't look at me like that, dude. Like he's like really. He's like, we were waiting for you. Man, I gotta wait for the right moment. I can't just dart out in the fucking middle of traffic. Suck a butthole, buddy. I'm waiting for somebody to pull out in front of me though, so I can just e-brake that bitch. Alright, I'm at Walmart. Walmart, the good old Wally World. Anybody else call it that? Wally World, the fucking life of Walmart. I can't wait for somebody to back out right into me when I'm fixing my helmet. That'd be lit. That'd be lit. I think Walmart's pretty nice. Walmart's nice though. I'm pretty sure some of y'all found your wife here. You know what I'm saying? Like you bumped into her, you're like, hey, Walmart. You're like, hey, I'm at Walmart too. You try to get some coffee? Bet. Bet, let's get some coffee. And you're like, bet. And then next thing you know, 6 years and 2 cheats later, y'all are married. Don't cheat. That's not a funny joke, by the way. It is funny, but don't cheat on your significant other. That's very bad. No, I don't condone that. But if you're gonna make a joke about it but not do it, you can do that, because that's what I just did. But I'm gonna end the video. So I'm gonna end the video. I want y'all to take from this that my seat won't fucking open. Take from that. I want y'all to take from this, no matter what, just try to keep your head up. That's what I've been trying to do. You know, tough times, you know, things, this is kind of nature, you know what I'm saying, you know, and kind of learn from it. I don't know what I'm saying, I'm just saying things that I've heard. Oh God, I'm a dickhead. I am a dickhead sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I am a dickhead, but I'm a funny dickhead though. I'm like the really funny, like he's dickish, but he's so funny. That's me. But yeah, I want to say thanks for watching, you. I really appreciate it. Leave a like or a comment saying I don't know, something nice, something to like make me laugh. It could be whatever, but I want to go. I keep dragging this out. All right, peace.